Well, here we are. We finally made it to Reno, Nevada for Hot August Nights 2022. And it's Thursday night, fairly late, but we just couldn't wait to go look at some of the cars. So we ran down here to the Atlantis and was able to come into the backside of the lot there and just walk right in and take a look at the cars. The quality of the cars was really, really good there. This little 64 Barracuda Fastback is a really neat car there. Little Chevrolet half-ton there with the rally wheels painted white with white wall tires. It was an interesting look. The truck was a little rough there. How about this 1975 Bonneville lowrider there? Little 53 Chevrolet, I believe, here. A 1964 Impala. And a 63 over there. Roadrunner, Dodge pickup. They were all out there. Some of them were covered up because it was late at night. Guys, the paint work and the quality of work on this 1957 Chevrolet Nomad lowrider was second to none. The rear sliding windows powered up and down on it. There was a whole group who got people inside of that car when they drove out. And this 64 Impala, the pictures just don't do it justice. The quality of that car was unbelievable. And this 1966 Chevrolet C10 two-wheel drives lower down here with that British racing green is absolutely one of the nicest that I've ever seen. It was just as straight as could be. The American Racing torque thrust type wheels on it just looked fantastic. Then this little 34 Ford here, I believe it is a 3-window coupe there. Really a nice coupe there. The quality cars there was fantastic here at the Atlantis. We stopped in fairly late at night. We got into town, hadn't gotten to see any cars, so we decided to maybe get a quick bite to eat somewhere and go out and take a look at a few cars. And came by the Atlantis here and took a little short video of the cars that were here. The old Roadster right there with that flathead V8 there was top notch. That 56 Ford F100 was also top notch. Then a really nice little Chevrolet 3100 there. But the cars overall was very good. People were really nice there. And old woman Cutlass here with the larger than stock wheels on looked good. Old Chevrolet Impala. Well, I just couldn't resist taking a few pictures of the neon lights around town. As we all know, Reno, Nevada and Las Vegas are the king of neon lights. I had to take another look at this Pontiac Bonneville on the way out. My neighbor has a 75 convertible for sale that's a pretty decent old car. Sure gets the guy thinking. And this old truck, I had to take another look at it. The work of it here, man, I don't know how many man hours they had in building this truck. But it was a bunch, and the quality was unreal. This 1966 Chevelle there was really down low and a great big tire on it. Pretty cool car. Kind of liked it there. Again, another one of them neon lights that I had to take a picture of here. Little 34 Ford sedan, two-door sedan there. Looks nice. This 1957 Chevrolet two-door post here with chameleon paint on it quality was very nice. Little Model A two-door sedan there. And again, we drove around a little bit. We did find a few neon lights that I took pictures of. And hope you enjoyed today's video. If you would please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And we got a few more pictures to go here. We got a group of guys here toward the end that are from I believe Northern California. They've got a group of 5.6 Chevrolet Chevelle convertibles. Saw them at Kool April Nites in Redding and again down here. And these Chevelles are top notch and they are quick cars. LT1s, LS, small blocks, supercharged. These cars right here, this group here. These cars are top group. Great good guys. They videos. Pretty cool deal. Well, sure glad that Tom Bodette left a light on for us because there was no place else to stay in town. And even at that, they had wanted $220 a night just to stay at Motel 6. But we'd booked online earlier and got it for $85, so it was quite reasonable. Friday morning, we'll be going out to the Reno swap meet at the Livestock Center near Sparks. When we'd gotten there, the gentleman had just sold the Super Winfield aluminum cylinder head and the valve cover for $450, which is a pretty good buy for a cylinder head for a Model A. This old Rambler wagon was at the swap meet and really had a lot of eyeball to it. I don't remember what he wanted for it, but this Ford F-250 here was for sale for $10,000 and it was a one owner with virtually no rust. I thought that was a pretty good buy. We also go to the mag auction where this group of bicycles sold for nearly $20,000. And we also are going to try to make it out to the drags out in Sparks, Nevada, where my cousin will be racing his 67 Chevelle with a twin turbo LS in it there. And there's those locusts again. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll catch you next time at Rust Duck Garage. And stay tuned for episode 3, where we attend the Reno swap meet and the mag auction before leaving for Bonneville.